Be honest, if you can't focus for more than 30 seconds, you're not lazy, you've been trained to stay distracted. And if you don't fix this now, your life will stay average. My name is not option B, and today's topic is harsh but necessary. Stop being dumb. Dumb doesn't mean you are dumb, it means your habits are dumb. Today, I'll show you 4 practical steps that will rebuild your attention span. No theory, no motivation, only real action. You wake up, you grab your phone, Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube, and suddenly 40 minutes are gone. This is where your focus starts dying. Point 1. Phone lockdown, the golden hour rule. Step number 1. Phone lockdown. For the first 60 minutes after waking up, don't touch your phone. Make it easy. Keep your phone in another room. Use a separate alarm clock. If your mind says this is urgent, wait 2 minutes and breathe deeply. Phone away equals focus back. The problem isn't that you can't focus. The problem is you try to focus for too long. Point 2. Modified Pomodoro technique. The rule is simple. 25 minutes of work, 5 minutes of break. After 4 cycles, take a 20-minute break. How do 99% of people actually follow this? Use a timer. Don't rely on willpower. Mark every completed session. Visual progress matters. After 4 Pomodoros, reward yourself. Tea, a walk, music. Small wins create strong focus. You think multitasking is a skill, but it's actually killing your attention. Point 3. One task, one tab rule. One task at a time, one screen, one tab. How to follow it? Close everything you don't need. Keep only one file or app open. When you start, tell yourself, focus mode on. Multitasking isn't smart. Focus is. You think focus is mental, but focus comes from your body. Point 4. Biological focus formula. Remember these 3 things. Sleep, at least 7 hours every night. Water, 1 glass every 90 minutes. Movement, 3 minutes of walking or stretching every hour. Set reminders. Ask one friend to keep you accountable. Strong body equals strong focus. Now listen carefully. Phone lockdown, Pomodoro, one task rule, sleep and movement. These 4 habits train your attention like a gym trains your muscles. Focus is not talent. Focus is a skill, and skills are built with practice. Here's your challenge. Next 120 minutes, 60 minutes without your phone, complete 2 Pomodoros, take a 3-minute walk. If you do it, comment "Done." I'll reply personally. Quick recap. Keep your phone away in the morning. Break work into small sessions. Do one task at a time. Take care of your body. Now, the real question. How do we make sure 99% of people actually follow this? The 4 golden rules, 99% formula. Start small, remove pressure, automate, alarms, timers, apps, go public, tell someone your plan, reward yourself, celebrate small wins. If you follow even 1 step today, you're already ahead of 90% of people. If this helped you, like the video, share it, and comment which step you're starting today. Stay focused, stay dangerous.
I am not option B. And for more real videos like this, don't forget to subscribe.